So guys, I went to this arcade house and I saw these lovely games. So it was good for you, your family, your children to come out and have fun. But guess what? It's all the way in New York. So if you're in this area and you need somewhere to take your children, I think this is a good place to be for your children to enjoy the evening, birthday, whatever it is. So take a look at this video. Hope you like it. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Bye.
This is so exciting. Woo! Awesome. Woo! You ride the bike, you ride the bike. Let me check up on it. Woo! No man. This place full of excitement. No man. All right. So we're at the clown section. Woo! This arcade is so cool. Oh man, you need to carry the kids them out. Ooh, I can play this. Whoa! Need some money for need to play this game. There's all types what's the wicked chicken I know? Woo! When you play, guys.